Welcome to 10 Ways to Be More Energy Efficient. Now, you may be thinking, why should I conserve energy in the first place? Well, here's why. Energy conservation is important and beneficial for many reasons. 1. You could save money. 2. Increase your property value. And 3. Protect the environment, all through simple energy-saving measures. These are great benefits you can gain from saving energy, no matter your exact motivation for conservation in the first place, by simply taking a small step towards living a more energy conscious lifestyle. You can begin to enjoy all the perks of being energy efficient. Okay, so basically, energy efficiency simply means using less energy. The more energy waste is eliminated, the more you save and help. The more people help, the more the world becomes a better place, I guess. Number 10. Energy audit. Conduct a home energy audit. Calling in experts to analyze every aspect of your home can help you identify energy-consuming issues that may be overlooked by the average homeowner. This includes roof problems, leaky pipes, and improperly sealed windows and doors. Auditors can also make recommendations on key upgrades to consider for future energy savings. Number 9. Energy-efficient windows. No, not that kind. This kind. Consider installing high-performance windows. According to Energy Star, heat gain and loss through windows accounts for up to 50% of a home's heating and cooling needs. Advancements in home window technologies include double glazing and low-E coatings. Can dramatically reduce heat loss and gain. Look for Energy Star label to make sure you're buying the most efficient windows. Number 8. Use your appliances wisely. Remember, it's little things that can sometimes make a big difference. Here are a few tips. A full freezer maintains the appropriate temperature more efficiently. Matching the correct pot size to the pot size of your burner supports efficient energy consumption on your stovetop. And washing and drying several loads of laundry back to back uses less energy than letting appliances cool down completely between loads. Number 7. Energy Star. Check the label when buying any new energy-consuming appliance or product. Look for Energy Star labeled items for greater efficiency and cost savings. Energy Star TVs, for example, are 30% more efficient on average than traditional models. Number 6. Use of power strips. These are power strips. Plug electronics into a power strip and turn off the strip when the devices are not in use. Avoid energy vampires that drain power and boost monthly bills. This includes the plugged-in coffee pots and cell phone chargers, screensavers on computers, and virtually anything else that's plugged in but not in use. Number 5. Washing clothes. Washing clothes in cold water could help you save up to 40 cents per load. Do the math. Low-flow faucets, shower heads, and toilets can also lead to significant energy savings. Number 4. Natural heating. Rely on your windows when possible to heat and cool spaces. Keeping window treatments like curtains or blinds minimal or leaving them open allows more sunlight into the room, which will generate heat. Leaving windows covered keeps areas cooler. Number 3. Space heaters. Don't run your space heaters 24/7. Doing so will zap your energy bill. Space heaters are great for occasional use, so to temporarily heat a certain area of your home, your heating bill may be lower if you run them for longer periods of time, but your electricity bill will most certainly be high. Number 2. Programmable Thermostat. Upgrade your thermostat to a programmable one that allows you to preset temperatures specific to various times during the day. According to the Department of Energy, programmable thermostats could save an estimated 10% a year on heating and cooling costs. It's also more cost-effective to keep the inside of your home at a temperature close to the temperature outdoors. Number 1. Compact fluorescent light, or CFL. Replace standard bulbs with compact fluorescent light, or CFL, bulbs which give off the same amount of light but more efficiently. Make sure you use the appropriate CFL bulb for each light fixture, and consider using timers to turn lights on and off automatically during the day. Well, we have come to the conclusion. I was thinking of working on this video for a bit, so I originally had a few ideas gathering, but it mainly turned out to be an article to video format. Sorry if the quality is bad, but anyway, even if you don't own a house are not responsible, don't have bills, or is just a kid, you could still help out. I would say that the most obvious important tips are simply to turn it off when you're not using it, secondary things, don't overuse it, and insulate your home. Conserving energy is one of the first best steps. This is for you. It starts with you, from little to big. And I'm not just speaking to America. Anyone can make a difference. Thanks for watching.